we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Few days back I got the pest control done for my house. It comes under my quarterly home maintenance, which we get it done every January. Now this gave me an opportunity to reorganize my kitchen entirely. I'm sharing some snippets of it in this video.
You tonight, together we can go crazy.
I made these boxes out of Amazon carton boxes and used their brown paper packaging material to create these beautiful braids around it. I have an entire video on this and I will leave the link in the description box.
So call me out, baby. Call me out, baby. Together we can go crazy. You and me in the night. I'm feeling alright. Now I got you and I want. So call me out, baby. Together we can go crazy. You and me in the night. I'm feeling alright. Now I got you and I want more.
I'll just give the whole place a good clean and let it dry while I'll relabel and refill couple of boxes. Now if you use labels like these, you can easily remove the chalk marker from nail polish removers. And using this box to store all the extra laundry supplies.
Call me out, baby. Together we can go crazy. You and me in the night. I'm feeling alright.
These white boxes that you see are the planters that I had in my Gurgaon home. Now I don't need them anymore as I don't have so much space around in the house. I washed them thoroughly and used to store now all sorts of knickknacks. This is the basket that I'm talking about that I DIY'd. You can see the tape marks. I use it, one of them, to store my iron. This mat is Ishi's changing mat and currently I use it on top of this wooden slab to iron all the clothes. I used an old cake board and stuck some watercolor paper on it and painted on top of this and created this beautiful art using this wooden stand that came as a gift with a plate which broke in transit. I'm creating a small little caddy of things that I use often for my laundry. I have put Vanish in this spray bottle. The other bottle was H2O2, hydrogen peroxide. I also keep a soap bar for collar cleaning and etc.
So call me out, baby. Together we can go crazy. You and me in the night. I'm feeling alright. Now I got you and I want. So call me out, baby. Together we can go crazy. You and me in the night. I'm feeling alright. Now I got you and I want more.
I want to use this opportunity to organize under the sink area because that is the area that needs to be organized most in order to avoid any sort of pest inside the house.
Days without water along the sun-soaked road.
In one box, I store all cleaning supplies, and in another, I store the garbage bags.
Here we are, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you.
I'm using wooden pedestals to raise the height of the drawers so that it's easier to open, and at the back I'm adding a bottle of sanitizer. These are surface sanitizers. This entire plastic shelf to store all my dishwashing supplies.
And days without eating, 'cause it ain't enough for two. And it's all for you. It's all for you.
These two drawers, I got it almost 4-5 years back and it is going strong. I store all sorts of knickknacks like naphthalene balls, borax, baking soda. These are actually olive bottles that we buy. And on top again I store all sorts of floor cleaners, washroom cleaners. These are new pack of extra supplies. I like to buy them in a bulk of 2 or 3. Now here in this ice cream box I store the daily use garbage bag, but I just feel it's very difficult to take it out, and I've seen many people use this hack that they cut the top lid and take the garbage bag out of this slit. It does not have to be a perfect rectangle that you cut on top. So the only catch here is that the plastic should slide comfortably. I'm adding some cloth pins which I don't really need right now, and on top of these 2 bins keep the cleaning caddy, and this is how the under sink look. I'm using this cookies tray. It came with some cookies packets, and I thought it is perfect to store all my IKEA clips. These back clips comes really handy and one of the most favorite products of IKEA. It's so cost effective and it is so useful in the kitchen. Another thing that I'm using is this toothbrush holder that I no longer use. I'm cutting some cardboard strips and some sellotape to create compartments. I'm going to use this to store the incoming pizza seasoning, which we all love, the chili flakes and the tomato ketchup sachets. We all have this and it lies anywhere in the kitchen or inside the fridge when we cannot find it when we need them. So I think this should work perfectly.
Just smile, why? 'Cause I got everything I need, but not what I wanted. 'Cause I just wanted you. And if I could, I'd leave this city too. I don't blame you. And I should call you, see what you've been up to. I've been wondering, how far did you go in 7 months? I bet you're happy and don't think that much about me. Here I am not knowing how to move on without you, 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 you. I should call you, see what you've been up to. I've been wondering, how far did you go in 7 months? I bet you're happy and don't think that much about me. Here I am, not knowing how to move on.
Before I finish everything, I just want to clean all the surfaces properly, and only then I wanted to start cooking in the kitchen.
New face, same old good anxiety. Where's your irony? Just smile wide, 'cause I got everything I need, but not what I wanted. 'Cause I just wanted you.
If you have enjoyed the video so far, then please subscribe to the channel. I have shared many videos on kitchen organization in small spaces, and I will leave the entire kitchen playlist in the description box.
Here I am, not knowing how to move on without you, 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 you. Oh, without you, you, you.
So today I thought I'll make some delicious amaranth porridge or ramdana kheer. You may also know it as Rajgiri kheer. So for this I'm also using makhana as the base. I'll save some makhana for the topping and add 1 cup of ramdana or Rajgiri makhana. Bring it till it becomes creamy. To this I'll add a teaspoon of jaggery. You can also add date syrup, you can add honey. So I am adding my daily dose of nuts and seeds here, but you can add any topping, choice of fruit, maybe some delicious compote, the apple jam, anything of your choice. So here I'm adding some black sesame seeds, flax seeds, chia seeds, some berries, nuts. And I made yesterday night some strawberry jam, and I'm just drizzling that. I have shared the recipe of strawberry jam on this channel, and I will leave the link in the description box. If you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, bye bye.